Welcome back to the Miyagi course. In our last lesson, we explored how to use styling layers to add depth and complexity to your prompts. Today, we'll learn how to use generative AI as a writing assistant to boost your productivity and creativity in writing. Communication is one of life's great mysteries, and knowledge is another. By studying writing and communication, we study thinking. When you use AI as a writing assistant, you leverage its capabilities to enhance your communication and writing skills. Start by drafting an email to respond to someone who has registered for your video course, asking them to tell you more about themselves and their goals. Draft an email to respond to someone who has registered for my video course to get them to tell me more about themselves and their goals. Next, have the AI proofread the email and give 3 recommendations for increasing the likelihood of getting a reply. Proofread this email and give me 3 recommendations for increasing the change of a reply. Hi. Name. Thanks for responding to my email. Much appreciated. That's fantastic. Kudos to you for taking the bull by the horns to move your life forward. I know you're going to get incredible value from this course. I'd love to hear more about your business. Tell me a little about you. What drew you to register for the program, and what are you trying to accomplish by the end of this year? Then implement these recommendations. Now, implement your recommendations. Finally, create some engaging subject lines to ensure your email gets opened. Write 5 subject lines for this email that would get it opened. Practice these prompts to see how AI can act as a powerful writing assistant, helping you create effective and compelling communication. It's amazing how many of you, over 74%, are frequent viewers but haven't yet subscribed. If any of my videos have brought you value or joy, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps me bring in more top-notch guests and create better content. Sounds like a deal? Subscribe now, and let's grow together in the next video. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which is always kept up to date with the latest tips. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to wisdomify any topic to learn fast and efficiently.